Hello children.
Welcome back to another video session. In our previous session, we have discussed non-contact force and its examples. Net force, balanced and unbalanced forces. Before starting the new session, let me ask you some questions. Children, why is it easier to hammer a nail into the wall? It is because we apply a greater amount of force into a very small area of the screw head. Why do potters place turbans on their head when they carry heavy loads? Why do lorries carrying heavy loads have a large number of broader tires? The answer is pressure. Slaters, let us discuss about pressure. What is pressure? The force acting perpendicularly on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. Formula: pressure equals to force by area. Unit of pressure. SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton by 1 meter square. Pressure is defined as 1 Pascal when 1 Newton force is applied on 1 meter square area. CGS unit of pressure is dyne or centimeter square. Factors on which pressure depends are as follows. 1. It is directly proportional to force. That means if force is more, pressure is more and vice versa. 2. It is inversely proportional to area. That means if area increases, pressure decreases and vice versa. Take a pencil, sharpen at one side and blunt on the other side. Press the sharp side of the pencil on your palm. Will you feel pain? Yes. Here the area is less. So the pressure will be more and causes the pain. Press the blunt end on your palm. Do you feel any pain? No. As the area of contact is more, the pressure is less. Now let us discuss few facts of our daily life which are based on pressure. Children, why school bags have a white strap? We know that pressure is inversely proportional to area. Therefore, larger the area, lesser the pressure exerted. Therefore, it becomes easy to carry a school bag with a white strap. Children, why do dams have a white base? As we know that pressure is inversely proportional to area, therefore, more the area, lesser the pressure exerted. Therefore, high pressure exerted by dams can be borne on grounds and that avoids breakage of the dam. That is the reason why dams are always constructed with a wide base. Children, why is it easier to hammer a sharp nail? As we know that pressure is inversely proportional to area, therefore, lesser the area, more the pressure exerted. Therefore, it becomes easy to hammer that nail. That is the reason sharp nails are preferred over blunt nails. Children, why is it difficult to walk on sandy floor with pencil heels? We know that pressure is inversely proportional to area. Therefore, the lesser the area, the more the pressure exerted. Therefore, it becomes difficult to walk on sand in pencil heels and it moves inside the sand. As heels are sharp and exert more pressure, our heels get embedded into the soil and cause difficulty while walking. Even if we wear a flat shoe, we will have difficulty in walking on the sandy floor. Children, why it is difficult to peel vegetable with a blunt knife? It is difficulty to peel vegetables using a blunt knife because we know that pressure is inversely proportional to area. Therefore, more is the area, less is the pressure exerted. Children, why does a sharp knife cut objects more effectively than a blunt knife? A sharp knife has a very thin edge of its blade. A sharp knife cuts objects like fruits, vegetables better because due to its very thin edge. The force of our hand falls over a very small area of the object. Therefore, the pressure will be more. Children, why can a camel easily walk on sand? This is due to the fact that nature has provided the camel with broad feet. Hence, when a camel walks on sand, the pressure exerted by it on the sand is quite small due to the increased area of contact. Its feet do not sink much in the sand. Therefore, a camel can easily cross vast regions in deserts. Why is a heavy truck fitted with 6 to 8 wheels? A heavy truck is fitted with 6 to 8 wheels because increased area reduces the pressure on wheels so they do not burst or damage the road. That is why trucks have broad tires so that there is less pressure on the ground and the tires do not sink in the soil. Why do skiers use long flat skis to slide over snow? Skiers use long and flat skis to slide on the snow. A large area of the cross section of skis reduces the pressure on the snow and prevents the skiers from sinking into the soft ground. So, the skiers easily slide over snow without sinking their feet into the ground. Slaters, let us discuss about fluid pressure now. What are fluids? Liquids and gases are called fluids as they flow from one place to another place. What is fluid pressure? It is defined as pressure exerted by fluids. Properties of fluid pressure. There are different properties of fluid pressure which are as follows. 1. Pressure increases with an increase in depth. 2. Pressure decreases with height. 3. Pressure applied at any point is equally transmitted in all directions. Let us discuss an activity to show liquid exerts pressure. 1. Take an empty plastic bottle. 2. Drill 4 holes near the bottom at the same height. 3. Now fill the bottle with water. 4. Observe the streams of water coming out. 5. Then we will see water flows with the same pressure. 6. This indicates that liquid exerted equal pressure at the same depth. Students, why do climbers take oxygen cylinders? While climbing the hills, the pressure decreases with height. That's the reason they always carry oxygen cylinders with them while climbing. This cylinder is helpful in proper respiration. Why do deep sea divers wear special suits while diving? Liquid pressure increases with depth. Pressure is high at the bottom, therefore, deep sea divers have to wear special suits to protect themselves from high pressure, otherwise, it may crush their bodies. Let us discuss atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? It is the pressure exerted by the atmospheric air. Atmospheric pressure can be measured by instrument barometer. Why does a rubber sucker stick on the wall when it is pressed against the wall? When we press the rubber sucker, most of the air between surface and rubber escapes out and the sucker sticks to the wall due to atmospheric pressure acting on it. To pull it back, one needs to apply a certain force which should be enough to overcome atmospheric pressure. Why do some people suffer from nose bleeding at high altitudes? The atmospheric pressure is at a maximum on the surface of the earth. When we go to a higher altitude, say a high mountain, then the atmospheric pressure decreases. So, at high altitudes, the atmospheric pressure becomes much less than our blood pressure. Since our blood pressure is higher at higher altitudes than the outside pressure, therefore, some of the sensitive blood vessels in our nose and eyes burst and it bleeds at high altitudes. Answer the following questions. What happens to pressure when force is double? The pressure of the water at the bottom of the pond is more than that at the surface of the pond. Explain. Thank you. Bye for now.